Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the best gain deals this week using the 5 off of 20 along with the 5 off of 25. Obviously Saturday the 8th is the most advantageous day to use both. And just to note that 5 off of 20 gain coupon is of a one-time use. So if you used it last week, you can't use it again. It's once per account. Okay, so just to go through some rules again, as stated on Saturday the 8th, you have the biggest savings where the two stack, the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. Use the Dollar General app to ensure that the 5 off of 20 gain, the items that you're picking up are attaching with that coupon. Certain flavors and scents don't. Pay attention that you're getting right to that $20 price point for gain along with the extra 5 to get you to 25. Any issues you have, don't be shy to void your transaction. And in some regions, the two do not stack. Now, if they do not stack, that's fine. If you go into the store before Saturday and happen to stumble across one of these in the garbage or on the floor or wherever, or even ask at the front if they have an extra receipt, you can use this in lieu of the digital 5 off of 25, and the two, in fact, work. So just a little something to throw in your back pocket. If you have no success, you might want to try this paper one in lieu. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to do is 100% digital. So you're going to have the following loaded that include the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. So these two friends. And we're going to grab this guy, which is a fabric softener for $6.95. And the digital that you need loaded is this $2. Now, when I scan this, see how the 2 and the 5 off of 20 stack? Like you see that little 2 at the bottom? That's when you know you're grabbing the right stuff. We're also going to grab this little guy for $3.95. Unfortunately, I don't have a digital with, but we're going to grab this. We're going to grab this guy for $5. See, it's Swiffer with gain. That's what we're looking for. So you need that gain on the package. Quick little scan. There's that dollar digital we need loaded. And then we're also going to grab one of these $5 plug products by Febreze with gain. And then one of these Centrum vitamins for $5. And then we also have this wonderful $4 coupon that showed up in the middle of the week. So load that for this little dealio. Okay, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics for this one. Again, we're going to the store on the 8th. We're grabbing one gain fabric softener for $6.95, one gain fireworks for $3.95, one Swiffer, that wet pack with the gain scent for $5 on the nose, one Febreze with gain, that oil plug for $5. Boom. And then one Centrum vitamin for $5. So if you add up all of that merchandise, it's $25.95. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number into the keypad. The cashier presses the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 are coming off, along with the $7 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $8.95 plus your tax for the 5 items. Before the tax, guys, it's $1.78 per product. Wow, what a great way to start off the new year. Okay, so the next two deals I have are with inserts and digital coupons. So we're going to need our two best friends loaded that include the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these plugs, like if you want the plug or the plug and the oil, whichever one you want, as the 5 off of 20 is attaching to both. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, just scan this barcode and you'll see that the 5 off of 20 is in fact attaching to said product. This is for the plug and the oil, that one, but the other one that's just an oil, it's also attaching. Okay, so we're just going to need one of these guys from the January P&G, and if you want the cashier to scan it at the very end, it's fine. You're only using one coupon, so the one coupon will scan. It's when you're trying to use 2 BOGOs or a 3 off of 2 of them in a transaction. That's when you need to scan products and then scan the merchandise. It's because their computers are pretty old. But if you scan this at the end, you should not have a problem because you're only using one manufacturer coupon. Okay, so we're also grabbing one of these Swiffer wet packs with the Gain logo, and they are $5 on the nose. And then we still have this wonderful dollar digital, so please make sure you have it loaded. And then we're going to grab a softener for $6.95. Make sure to scan all of the scents to make sure that the 5 off of 20 is attaching. And we have this $2 digital as well, but this is the stack that we're looking for. And then the final item that we're going to grab is the Centrum vitamin. So grab one of these, and then we have that wonderful $4 digital that is in fact attaching to said product. Okay, so the math for this one of the Gain softeners for $6.95, one Swiffer Gain wet pack for $5 on the nose, and then two of those Febreze oil plug, whatever they call them, for $10. They're $5 each, so 2 times 5 equals 10. So then we also grab a Centrum vitamin for $5. Our total is $26.95. As the cashier is scanning all of your stuff, that's when you punch in your phone number. Before the cashier hits the final pay button after the last item is scanned, that's when you present your BOGO free coupon. Cashier scans it, then the cashier will press the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 are coming off, along with the $7 of digitals. You're paying $6.95 for the 5 products, and it shakes it out to $1.39 per product. So in the January P&G, if you might have that BOGO free coupon, use one of them to get this really fantastically cheap basket of Gain merchandise. Okay, so with this little coupon, the air effects, which are the sprays, are excluded from that. So even if you scan it, it's not going to work. So the car clips, those little oils, the small spaces, and then the fabric stuff is included. The car clips are part of it, and these double packs are $5 on the nose. So if you cannot find those Febreze oils, because I know because of supply chain issues, like your store might have nothing, but maybe they'll have some of these. And they have it in the Moonlight Breeze along with the original. And when you scan this barcode in the app, the 5 off of 20 is attaching, and then it's also on the coupon. So you're going to get $3 off, but if you want to do like a little mixy match or whatever, I'm just throwing it out there because I know that sometimes you guys get into the store and you're like, I don't know what to do, but this might be an alternative, grabbing these little car clips. Last deal that we have is with insert coupons and digitals. We need our 2 best friends loaded. That include the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. So make sure that both of those are loaded. We're going to grab a mix of 4 of these products. 5 times 4 equals 20. I think you know where I'm going with this one. Pick a very friendly store. You're going to basically scan 2 products, present a coupon, scan 2 products, present a coupon. For everybody who wants to ask me this question of, is your math is going to be all skewed if you do it that way? No, because until the cashier presses the final pay button, the line limit doesn't get tabulated properly. So presenting these coupons midstream does not matter. Get your basket right to 25. We're also going to grab one of these vitamins for $5. And there's a whole bunch of different flavors that are working with this digital coupon, but make sure you have this lady loaded for the deal. There's also one for $1.25, so please make sure you only load the $4 one because you want the largest amount to come off. There is no way to remove digital coupons once they're loaded on your Dollar General account. Just be mindful of that. So this is the one that you want loaded. Okay, looking at the mathematics for this one, 4 of the Febreze with the Gain, those oils, that's $20. Remember, we're scanning 2, presenting a coupon, scanning 2, presenting a coupon. And then we have 1 Centrum vitamin for $5. So all of that is $25. As the cashier is scanning your products, you also have to punch in your phone number, or you can punch it in at the top. And then when the cashier hits the final pay button, 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 will come off, along with the $4 digital for the Centrum vitamins. So you're paying $5 for the 5 items. It shakes it out to $1 per product. This right here is some tremendous savings, and your house will be smelling really good in the new year with all those plugs. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.